Hi, today I'm gonna show you how to do a proper voice leading. So I'm going to start with the bass sound, and from then on we are gonna do other voices. I'm gonna So this is my bass sound. I'm going to just quantize it here. So this is how it sounds. Now what you're gonna do next to add the other voices is first to put the third. In this case, he is a minor third, and then I put the fifth. So now I will just adjust to the key. In this case is a key of C minor, so I don't have these notes here. So we are going to bring it to the proper note. This as well. To G, and these are going to drag to C. So now I have all the chords here. But it's gonna sound a bit strange if he jumps from one region to... So what we are doing is to select all the notes that looks out of the range. So these notes, for example, and bring them an octave down. If I find this range too low, I can raise one by one, just the voices. So I can select the lowest voice and bring it an octave up. So it's gonna sound like this. Alright? So I hope you enjoy the tip and stay tuned in our channel.